My name is Lindsay Amundson. I'm the project manager at the Big Chico Creek Ecological Reserve. But I started off at the very lowest level of working there as a Land Steward 1 and kind of worked my way up through that. So I've gotten to go on a lot of burns, all prescribed burns. I've never been on active wildfire and would like to keep it that way. I got into this, I had some influence from Zeke Lunder over here telling me about prescribed fire, and I did animal rescue after the campfire and just saw the devastation of the campfire and what it meant. And so I got into this as kind of like a therapeutic thing. And I really like the idea of being proactive with fire instead of reactive to fire. And so I think that's really important. For this fire in particular, Magalia was real close to getting hit by the campfire as well. And I find that little burns like this can really be helpful in the messaging to the community about we can do this safely and how important it is. But I know it can be really triggering for people. And so I think it's important to do it respectfully and bring neighbors in and give people the opportunity to see what good fire on the land is and how helpful it can be. And so it's just really important to continue that messaging. So I like to keep burns like this in sensitive areas nice and mellow and safe, and let it go out and have them be like, oh, we saw that went really well. Because I think our biggest thing is we need to get public perception up of good prescribed fire. And if we do it responsibly and we bring people in, we need to do a lot more acres than we're doing. So if we get their support, we can do a lot more.